Hi everyone, this is Natalie from Unomy, and this is a quick tutorial that covers common scenarios as well as the best practices of using the platform. Before we get started, I'm going to tell you a little bit about how it works. Unomy is a sales intelligence platform that's currently being used by some of the best sales and marketing teams in the world to prospect more intelligently and sell smarter and faster. We collect tremendous amounts of data about companies, both public and private, and their employees. We utilize thousands of public sources, including company websites, public directories, API partnerships, social networks, and search engines, along with other data partners like Crunchbase, PowerLink, ZoomInfo, BuiltWith, Alexa, and many more. We then take all that data and use our technology, machine learning, and natural language processing to piece together all the fragmented data into solid, accurate, comprehensive company and people business profiles. Today, we already possess one of the largest business databases in the world, covering over 7 million companies and over 76 million professional profiles. Our platform makes all of these profiles accessible to the end user. In most cases, sales, marketing, and business development teams working in B2B companies like ours. Let's see the platform in action. So what you can see here are lists. Essentially everything in Unomy is built around lists. You start by building a list of companies that you want to target and then move further to find decision makers in those companies. One simple way to get started is to click here on the Find New Prospects. On the right, you're going to see filters that will help you find the most relevant companies for your product or service. On the left, you're going to see the category tree. We have more than 800 different categories in Unomy to choose from, or use the search. You can apply a broad search like tech, finance, healthcare, or be more specific like 3D companies, augmented reality, investment banking, or anything else you might want to target. Let's do a quick search, looking for technology companies in the US with more than 200 employees, but also less than 5,000, making at least $1 million in revenue. You also filter by total funding, recency of the latest funding event, number of rounds, and more. You can also add more filters like popularity on social media, website Alexa ranks, specific keywords, etc. Once you're done applying your filters, all you have to do is click on View Companies, and you have a list of all the companies that meet your criteria. The first view is the overview, the firmographics. By clicking on any company on the list, you'll immediately see more information about it on the right. Clicking on the People's tab, you'll get a fantastic overview of how many people work within each company. Department by department, from finance and marketing to product, HR, IT, and so on. You can see exactly how many salespeople work for each company. Same goes with titles. You can see how many C-level, VP, or directors are employed and more. To find decision makers, you click on the company while on the People's tab and check the boxes that represent the titles you're looking for. Simply click Unlock and get that person's full contact information. You can also do this one by one, but there's a way you can build a much larger list. Click on Get Multiple Contacts and check the right boxes. In the Finance tab, you'll see detailed financial information. Revenue, funding rounds, investors, acquisitions, stock symbols, you name it. Going to the Social tab will show you social media activity. The Website tab will show you how popular the website is, country by country. And then the Similar tab will show you similar companies and possible competitors. This is a basic functionality. You can save the companies into a list, name it, export it, integrate it, etc. But really, we've just scratched the surface in terms of what you can do with Unomy. For example, you can also find relevant lists online. Take, for example, a page like this with a list of Fortune 500 companies, or an article online on a Q&A site where people are sharing company links, or perhaps a venture capital portfolio like this one. Whenever you stumble upon a page with companies you'd like to search, instead of wasting time figuring out which companies are doing what, who's bigger than the other, who are the decision makers, etc., all you have to do is use Unomy's Chrome extension, click on links, and that's it. Unomy will pull all the companies found on the page, layer them with data from our database, and help you sort them by size, funding, revenues, acquisition, locations, department sizes, everything else you can think of. You can even hover over a link with your mouse, click on the little circle, and all that company information will be right there in front of you without even leaving the website that you're on. But again, that's just the beginning. You can zoom into each company and see highlighted information that includes their branches, summaries, a full view of contacts, and all the other insights you need in order to start an engaging conversation with lots of context. On top of that, you can import existing emails of URLs into Unomy and find data about competitors or anything else. Unomy also integrates with Salesforce. Just hover over a lead with your mouse, click on the circle, and get information about the company. To summarize, Unomy is a massive database with extraordinary abilities that allows you to research companies, build lists, pull lists, enrich the leads, find contacts, and learn anything you need to learn about your next customer, inside the platform or just while browsing online. If you need any help, just click this icon, leave us a message, and our customer success team is always happy to help you sell faster and grow.